Welcome students to the online laboratory for chemistry practical of class 11. Today I am going to describe the experiment number 2, that is the preparation of standard solution of sodium carbonate. I will describe the entire experiment in the following parts: aim, theory, materials required, demonstration, results, and the last but not the least, the precautions. First, the aim: to prepare 250 ml of standard solution of M by 20 sodium carbonate. The theory involved, as you know, that the standard solutions are the solutions the concentration of which can be prepared with accuracy, and we are actually using some standard substances for their preparation. You know that there are substances which are easily soluble in water, which are available in the pure form, and the concentration of which normally does not change for certain time. We can call them as the standard substances. So sodium carbonate is one such substance. So we actually prepare the standard solution of sodium carbonate for the titration purpose. The molecular formula of sodium carbonate. Basically, you know that sodium carbonate is the crystalline sodium carbonate is having the molecular formula Na2CO3 with 10 molecules of water of crystallization, that is 10H2O. But here we are using the anhydrous sodium carbonate with the molecular formula Na2CO3. The molar mass is equal to 106 gram per mole. Therefore, to prepare 1 liter of 1 molar sodium carbonate solution, we need to take 1 mole of sodium carbonate, that is 106 gram of this salt. For this purpose here, we need to prepare by 250 ml. So calculation shows that to prepare 250 ml M by 20 solution, we need to take 1.325 gram of sodium carbonate. Materials required. For this purpose, we need a volumetric flask of 250 ml. Then, for transferring the salt in the volumetric flask, we need a glass funnel. The solution is prepared in distilled water. We need also the wash bottle, the anhydrous sodium carbonate Na2CO3. For final volume makeup, we need the dropper or some pipette and some device by which we can measure the accurate amount of the salt, that is some digital weighing machine. Now this experiment I am going to demonstrate. You just follow it. Good morning students. Let us perform the second experiment, that is the preparation of standard solution of sodium carbonate, anhydrous sodium carbonate. So this time we are going to prepare it by 250 ml, whose molarity is M by 20. Now, sodium carbonate, basically it's a crystalline salt, but in this crystalline form it is not available. So the form in which it is available, that is called as the anhydrous. It is one means a substance which is called as efflorescent. Efflorescent in the sense that the crystalline molecule, it removes or it releases or gives up its water of crystallization spontaneously to the atmosphere, and the anhydrous means where there is no molecule of water of crystallization. So you can see its molecular formula, it is Na2CO3, there is no water of crystallization, and its molecular mass is 106 gram per mole. So if you want to prepare 250 ml of solution of this by M/20 standard, then the amount of this salt which is required, calculation shows it will be required by means of 1.325 gram. 1.325 gram. So our first task is to transfer or to measure accurately 1.325 gram. So for that we are first adjust this to 0. Okay, now it shows the 0 mark. You have to now transfer by 1.325. You see that although it's very difficult to take the weight up to correct up to the 3 decimal. So let us see that minimum 1.3 you have to take. Okay, this much is good enough. If you want to make it okay, 1.326. Okay, 1.326, this amount of sodium carbonate now you will transfer in this volumetric flask. Sodium carbonate, basically it is basic in nature, and this is also known as washing soda, which is required for the preparation of the dishwashing detergent industry. It is required, and now you transfer little water in such a way so that the entire amount, not even a single particle of sodium carbonate, it sticks, because you know that if 1 or 2 particles are still sticking in this funnel, then it will give a wrong value. So you dissolve it completely, you dissolve it. It is readily soluble. So you see that it is dissolved. Little more water is required to dissolve it properly. When the entire amount of the salt will be dissolved, then you have to add water carefully up to the mark of 250 ml. Okay, so you see that it is completely soluble, no particle is visible here at the bottom of this, and here the mark 250 mark is lying over here. So you can add water initially. Now be little careful. This time you have to add very slowly. Better you should now use the dropper for making up the volume. So dropwise you add water, keep on adding till the lower meniscus. Yes, now you can see the lower meniscus of the liquid, it is just touching the mark. Okay, so it is the standard solution of sodium carbonate Na2CO3, anhydrous sodium carbonate Na2CO3, whose molarity is m/20. Okay, so this is about the preparation of standard solution. Thank you. After performing the experiment, now we come to the result. So now this means solution can be marked as 250 ml m/20 of sodium carbonate solution. Now there are certain precautions which must be adhered to. The first one is the weight of sodium carbonate to be taken accurately. Number 2, make sure the entire transfer or complete transfer of sodium carbonate into the volumetric flask without any loss. And finally, when the volume is adjusted so that no extra addition of distilled water is made, we can carefully do it with the help of a dropper or a pipette.